when the Phantom came there, then the world has needed the real heroes. Superman has come there and saved the world. And the big cry, Thomason Martha Wayne was killed by Joe Chill. I saw this even with my own eyes. When I was 10, my family was died, and I promised I will find him. I will fight for revenge. When I found him, I was doing it to him what he did to my family. So I have been Batman. Later, I have changed my mind. No guns, no death. And I have begun to fight for justice. And I have been a detective. One day, when the greatest Phantom came there, Superman and I was assembling for Save the World. We have been the best friends. Suddenly, he has been a director of this country. Then he was a good director. But no, he has been a dictator. Later, we have been enemies forever. We have begun to fight for learning who is the God among us.
Batman!
Superman.
I'd better stop that.
Never. I want justice. I fight for justice. But you are a dictator.
You shall never say that.
Come on, you're dead.